Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tabitha and today we are going to talk about passive income investing for February 2026. Passive income investing for 2026, February 2026. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe for more videos and I will appreciate your business. So let's get into the contents of today. So passive investing for February 2026. So which stocks are we going to invest in this month? So let's get into the general information about passive investing in Canada, and then we'll get into the stock that we want to buy today. So if you want to know which stocks I'm buying today for this month, for this month, and then stay tuned and see if it's something that you can also buy too, and why not. Let's go ahead. Account to invest in. This is the general information about investing in Canada for passive income. So TFSA account. So the reason why we use TFSA account is because if you invest in TFSA account and you make capital gain, there's no tax on your capital gains, as you can easily withdraw your money and put it back to your account and use it. Another account that you can use too is RRSP. So why do we use RRSP as Canadian investors? Is to avoid withholding tax on US dividend stocks. So US has one of the best dividend stocks out there, and because if you are holding them in your TFSA, so they will get taxed, so you have to pay withholding tax. But if you put them in RRSP, and then you don't have to pay withholding tax. So move your money. So if you move your money, you choose instant deposit. So instant deposit make your life easier and to help you catch those discount, or maybe the price has gone down there and you don't have to wait for your money to deposit after 3 business day or 5 business day. This one does it really very quick, like 2 minutes and you are done. So that's it. So save your debit card on your Questrade account and you can easily click on it and put the amount that you want to put, and you get your money and you'll be ready to start buying the stocks that you want to buy. So I'm not with CIBC, but example, you can put your card there and you can have easy access to your fund by using instant. Next step is to the REIT stocks. So this month we are dealing with risk, no risk, REIT stock. So REITs are real estate investment trusts. So these are part of the dividend stocks that we buy, or that I buy most of the time. So if you don't know much about the REIT, and then you can look at some of the videos that I made before, and it will make sense to you. I will tag one of the videos on this video, and you can click on it and watch and see, learn more about risk. This month we are going to do smart centers. Smart center is one of the biggest REIT in Canada. So it is an open air rental space. So they use it to rent to Walmart, to rent to other big retail companies like Loblaws, and those one like BMO, and all these other companies that do retail. So they rent from smart centers. I know most of you are familiar with this pose or this sign or this symbol called smart centers. It's always a big penguins in those plazas. So that is a smart center company, and it's really a big company, and it rent to these retailers. So the symbol is SRU.UN.TO. The price is 29.55. So let's go ahead and see what we can really achieve with this one. So how much do you need to invest in smart centers? So as little as $50, since the share price is only 29.55. if you have $50, you can buy 2 shares of Smart Centers. So now, let's see, capital for me, it's for this month is 200, and then the price is 29.55, and then the next thing, the number of shares is 200. Take 200 divided by 29.55, and then let's go ahead and see. So the shares that we could buy with 200 is six shares. Our 6 shares dividend per share is 0.1542. So the remark about this one is that this dividend does not change. So I've been here for a while, like since 2020, and the dividend per share for Smart Centers is always staying the same. So it's really good that it really does not fluctuate with the price. So some companies, if the price goes down, and then like maybe the dividend shares also really flump too. But this one, it stayed the same. It's really stagnant at that point, which is good. Yeah, maybe if it could go up, it's better. But I don't like the idea of dividend per share going down based on the fluctuation of the price. So this is good. So if you take 6 shares times 0.1542, then you get 92 cents. It's very little money, but we are going to build it with patience and faith that at some point we're going to make $50 per month or $100 per month. So that is what it is in this chart trend. So if you look at this one, this is the SRU.U.TO, the Smart Centers Real Estate Investment Trust, right? So the price is bid price, ask price. Most of the time when you want to buy, you use this price to calculate the number of shares that you want to buy. And then this one is not important, high and low, only if you're trading, and then that is more important to see. You can see when it closes last time and when it opened, how much, right? And then another important thing, because we are doing long-term investing, we check at the market cap. Market cap tell how big or small a company is. So this market cap is $4.27 billion. So this one shows that this company is big company. So it's a big company. So the number of shares available by this time is $144.71 million. With me, it's a big company. So and then we come to our dividend. So this is also important. This is important. This is important. And the price, of course, because if the price is lower, you will be able to buy more shares of Smart Centers, and you will get more dividend. Also, you look at the company. This company is a strong company. It's a big company. It's not a small cap company. And you also look at the history of this this stock, right? So dividend is good and it's always stable at this point. So that's just it. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe for more videos and I will appreciate your business. Thank you for watching.